This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kirsten McAndrew. The Sandcastle offers incredible potential to one lucky buyer. This is a Hurricane Michael damaged bargain. Sold as is with right to inspect. Renovations and TLC are needed. Just across the cul-de-sac from beach access. There are forever Gulf views over a single-story home that can never go to 2 stories. Interesting architecture including a 4th-floor bird's nest for panoramic coastal and sunset views. This huge beach house sleeps 12. First floor has a private entrance with king bedroom, full bath and family room. The second floor features a large living room with a Gulf view balcony, kitchen with breakfast nook, dining hall and half bath. The third floor hosts the 3 bedrooms. Will be cleaned up prior to closing. Contractors have been living in home and are vacating. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirsten McAndrew at 850-249-6100.